Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Good morning, traders. This is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index fell toward 98 on Tuesday, extending its sharp decline from the 2-month high of 100 reached on the 31st of July. Fresh economic data strengthened expectations for a Federal Reserve rate cut in September, as headline inflation held at 2.7%, just below forecasts, while core inflation climbed to a 6-month high of 3.1%. Softer payroll revisions and a downbeat ISM PMI boosted bets on a 25 basis point cut, weighing on the dollar against other G10 currencies. WTI crude slid to $62.5 on Tuesday, near last week's 2-month low of $62.2 after President Trump extended the US-China tariff truce by 90 days. Investors are also awaiting talks between the US and Russia over Ukraine. Trump downplayed any breakthrough, calling the meeting a chance to explore peace prospects, while Ukraine's President Zelensky refused to negotiate on ceding territory. A deal could ease risks to Russian oil supply, though uncertainty remains. Spot gold hovered around $3,350 an ounce as traders digested the latest US CPI report, which reinforced expectations for a Fed rate cut next month. Annual inflation in July stayed at 2.7%, below the 2.8% forecast, while core inflation accelerated to 3.1%. The figures suggest tariff-driven price pressures remain contained, giving the Fed room for a 25 basis point cut in September. Rate cut odds climbed from 88% to nearly 93%. Meanwhile, President Trump posted on social media that gold will not be subject to tariffs, offering no further detail. The yen weakened for a third straight session in Asia on Tuesday, sliding to a 1.5-week low against the dollar. Political uncertainty and higher US tariffs signaled potential headwinds for Japan's economy, possibly delaying the Bank of Japan's policy normalization. Coupled with broadly positive equity markets, this kept the safe haven yen under pressure. Still, the BOJ's July upgrade to inflation forecast left the door open for a year-end rate hike. Traders are also eyeing upcoming US consumer inflation data, which could help define near-term USD JPY direction. After 2 straight daily losses, Euro steadied near 1.167 on Tuesday. Improving sentiment ahead of US-Russia talks could offer further upside for the euro. The European Central Bank wrapped up its latest easing cycle in July after 8 rate cuts in the past year, bringing borrowing costs to their lowest since November 2022 to support slowing growth. Some still expect another ECB cut before year-end. Markets now see an 84% chance of a Fed rate cut in September, down from 90% a week earlier.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.